5 great movies to learn English with. You might not believe it, but it's very possible to learn English by watching movies. The most important tips are to pick a shorter film so you aren't overwhelmed and to use English subtitles, so you can listen and read new vocabulary at the same time. And to avoid looking up words by using context to find the meaning. Today I want to introduce a list of 5 movies that are great for helping you to learn English. The Hunger Games. Even if you've never seen the movies or read the books, you're probably familiar with the plot of the series. It has a little something for everyone from romance to action to science fiction, and it will keep you engaged until the very last minute. The actors and actresses also have very clear American accents that are easy to understand. The Wizard of Oz. This movie is a classic. Released in 1939, there is almost no one who hasn't seen it. Because it's so well known, it is a great candidate for helping to develop a better understanding of English. If you already know the plot, it makes it much easier to link the English vocabulary to the words you know. Love Actually. If the previous 2 movies aren't your favorite genre, maybe a romantic comedy is more your style. Love Actually is often thought of as a Christmas movie, but since it is set in London, you get to experience an array of English accents from the characters. It looks at 8 different stories about love, so there is never a slow moment. Forrest Gump. I'm sure you've heard the iconic "Run Forrest Run" line from this film. While you watch it, you get to follow the main character through his life and some important historical moments. Forrest Gump is a perfect movie to watch if you're learning English because the main character speaks very slowly, making it easier to understand. Toy Story. Even though this animated movie is technically considered to be for children, it has comedy and themes geared towards adults, as well. It is fantastic for learning English because the vocabulary is simple and the film itself is lighthearted and fun to watch. It may also remind you of your childhood a bit, which is an added bonus. Thank you guys for watching. What are your suggested movies? Please comment below.